Long distance relationships, not seeing each other is painful, but no one can beat the understanding level. You can't try a long distance relationship. You have to be ready to commit and put in some extra work. Communication has to be your topmost priority. And even if there's nothing to talk about, just enjoy the silence. You have the power to make each other smile from far away. Something that people living closer can't even do. The relationship is much more than holding hands and getting physical. You don't have to rush things. If you're not ready, go with the flow and love that. Get addicted to their voice and vice versa. You face both the struggles and hard feelings together in life. The willingness to be with each other in spite of the distance and the loyalty that you have for each other is unmatched. Sharing little things and making time for each other, no matter how the day was, feels like an achievement, and the efforts put in are worth everything.